Today we're going to be using the Allergy Force app to make thumbprint cookies. Instead of using a traditional cookbook, the app can help you find a recipe that works for your family allergies. I had the ingredients in my cupboard: flour, sugar, light brown sugar, vanilla, your choice of butter, plus your choice of chocolate chunks and maybe some jam too. Let me clear this out of the way. I'm going to double check ingredients to be sure they're safe for my son. I'm using the app's barcode scanner to do this double check. It will flag ingredients with any of his allergens. Uh-oh, the chocolate chunks have one of his allergens. I must have missed it when I was shopping. Luckily, I have another brand. I've already read through the ingredients here, but let me double check with the app. Looks like we're good to go. Now let's bake. First, add 1 cup of your choice of butter. That's about 2 sticks. Next, add the 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then, add the 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. And finally, we add the 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Love that vanilla. Then we cream it all together on a low to medium setting until it's light and fluffy. Now we're going to take our sifter and add the 2 cups of flour. Slowly add it to the butter mixture. And then use the mixer to combine everything well. As I'm mixing, I use a rubber spatula to help combine ingredients. You'll know your dough is ready to go when it's tacky to the touch. That means not sticking to your fingers. Now let's work with the dough. Take a tablespoon of dough and roll it into a small ball. Then, dust the ball with sugar and place it on an ungreased baking sheet. Next, put a small divot in each ball that you will fill with either chocolate or jam after baking. The recipe should make between 30 and 40 cookies. Next, put your sheet of cookies into an oven that's been preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The cookies should bake for between 10 and 12 minutes until they're light golden brown. Be careful not to overbake them. As soon as they're done, take them out and add your choice of chocolate, jam, or both. Work fast so the jam and chocolate set on the cookies before they cool too much. Almost done. Move them onto racks for cooling. Try to snag one before your kids eat them all. We hope you enjoy the recipe and come check out our app.
Two.